Hypnosis is a highly focused state of concentration. It's characterized by a decrease in peripheral awareness and an increase in suggestibility. For me, hypnosis is one of the most powerful modalities that I've ever witnessed. It all comes down to understanding that hypnosis is a special psychological state. When a person is hypnotized, they're highly suggestible. That means that the affirmations and suggestions that a person hears under hypnosis can have a powerful effect, mentally and physically. My own connection to hypnosis is really interesting. I actually used hypnosis in order to have 3 unmedicated, amazing, doctor-free water births. Each one of my 3 children was born without any medical interventions, without any medications, at a freestanding birthing center. And that was thanks to hypnosis. Hypnosis can be used for healing deep emotional trauma, but it can also be used for physical issues as well. Clinical research has shown that hypnosis can actually have a powerful effect on our pain receptors, as well as our lymphatic system, immune system, and circulatory systems. Hypnosis has been used to help alleviate things like arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and even skin conditions. And hypnosis can help us change bad habits. Any type of behavior that we want to shift or adjust, like smoking or overeating, it can all be helped with hypnosis. To understand what hypnosis is, we need to talk about brain wave frequencies. When we hook up the brain to an EEG, a type of brain scanning equipment, we can see that depending on the activity in the brain, there are different brainwave frequencies that result. There are 5 main brainwave frequencies. The gamma state, and that's when we're learning something, when we're highly engaged in the learning process. Then we have the beta state. That's being wide awake. That's when we're in problem-solving mode and we're having an active conversation. Drinking coffee stimulates the beta state. Then we have alpha. Alpha is a state of relaxation. When we start to do some deep breathing exercises, meditation, we begin to relax the mind and body, and we enter alpha state. And that's where the first stage of light hypnosis takes place. When we go a bit deeper with more advanced breathing exercises, deeper levels of meditation, and full-blown hypnosis, we enter the theta state. Theta state is an even slower, deeper state of relaxation where our brain is functioning at a lower frequency. In that state, we are very highly suggestible. And that's a good thing, because whatever positive changes or healing effects we want to see in the mind or body, we can actually suggest while the brain is in theta, and we actually see the results manifest. Last of all, there's delta. Delta is when we're in a nice deep sleep. So from the outside, hypnosis may look like sleep. The person's eyes are closed, they're breathing steadily, their body is relaxed. Hypnosis is not sleep. To enter hypnosis, a trained practitioner will go through a series of protocols. Some of those protocols may include counting, guided visualization, progressive body relaxation. Oftentimes there may be relaxing music as well. All of these protocols are designed to help relax the brain and the body so that we go from the beta into the alpha state. Then we deepen that hypnotic state with more counting, breathing, guided visualization, different techniques that are going to allow us to enter that theta brainwave frequency. In that state of mind, we're highly focused. We're not paying attention to the outside. We're inwardly focused, and we can really take to heart and reprogram both the conscious and subconscious mind. So any suggestions that we hear, and those can be for healing, for shifting out of limiting mindsets and limiting beliefs, we can revisit past events. Some practitioners are trained in past life regression hypnosis, where the mind is taken to a scene that the person associates with a past life. There are different types of hypnosis, of course. I mentioned hypnosis for childbirth. That's often called hypnobirthing. And of course, I just mentioned past life regression. So guided hypnosis is when there's a practitioner that is using techniques like guided visualization, progressive body relaxation, and music to help the person relax little by little on a guided journey with a specific result. Hypnotherapy is when we're using hypnosis in a therapeutic setting. So a trained professional will typically combine something like psychoanalysis, talk therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy. Some kind of beneficial therapeutic modality will be combined with hypnosis to get a very powerful result. When a person is not up in arms, when a person is not resistant to change, when they're in that relaxed, open state of hypnosis, we can make really powerful changes to the psyche. And there's self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is when you use a recorded audio track, which are available on YouTube, and there's a lot you can purchase. And basically a person listens to that hypnosis track over and over again. The more you listen to a self-hypnosis track, the more it embeds in your mind and slowly but surely reprograms your thoughts or your actions. So self-hypnosis really relies on repetition. The more we listen to the track, the more it embeds in the mind. Hypnotherapy relies on a trained professional using their abilities to guide the healing process. And guided hypnosis is a very relaxing experience where you're using all these different protocols and methods to help relax the mind and body, to help the individual feel at ease. No matter what kind of hypnosis you use, understand that it's very gentle. It's gentle enough to be used on a daily basis, but it's also powerful. There's actually been cases where you can go through full-blown surgery, have your appendix removed with no anesthesia, just hypnosis. So again, to get rid of some of the misconceptions about hypnosis, I want to clarify that stage hypnosis for entertainment is really not what most practitioners or hypnotherapists are performing or doing. Stage hypnosis is what you'll see in Las Vegas, when somebody brings people up on stage and then puts them in a trance-like state and then picks a word or phrase that is a trigger, and then a person will act a certain way, usually to make the audience laugh, maybe act like Elvis or like a chicken or something silly. And when the person hears that word or phrase, they're triggered to act in that certain behavior. And that's really only for entertainment purposes. When you're doing hypnotherapy or guided hypnosis, you are in a safe environment and you are undergoing a process that is safe, gentle, and effective. And the hypnotherapist always has your best interest in mind. Hypnotherapists go through many hundreds of hours of experience in order to be certified. So you'll know that you are being taken care of when you're in that setting with a trusted practitioner. I hope that this short video has explained a lot of the aspects of hypnosis, and I look forward to having you reach out if you have any questions at all. And please check out the link for the Mind, Body, Soul Reset, where you will actually be given 5 modules of hypnosis tracks, meditations, a workbook, emotional acupressure videos, and either 6, 12, or 24 one-on-one healing hypnosis sessions with me.